Welcome to BrewFix. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast, a barista, or a technician, this channel is your go-to guide for espresso machine repairs, maintenance, and expert coffee tips. Today, we're diving into 5 science-backed hacks that could dramatically improve the flavor of your coffee. From temperature control to grind size, water composition, and extraction methods, these aren't just opinion. They're proven techniques that can elevate your espresso, drip coffee, or pour over to a whole new level. Coffee is over 98% water, so the quality of your water directly impacts flavor. Research shows that filtered water with balanced mineral content enhances extraction, while hard or heavily chlorinated water can produce bitterness or flat taste. For the perfect cup, use clean, filtered water, or check your machine's built-in filtration system. Small tweaks, like adjusting your water's mineral content, can improve sweetness, body, and aroma, making each sip taste more vibrant and balanced. Temperature plays a huge role in coffee extraction. Scientific studies indicate that brewing between 90 to 96 degrees Celsius, 194 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, is ideal. Water that's too hot can over-extract bitter compounds, while too cool water leaves your coffee under-extracted and sour. Many home machines allow small adjustments, and even minor tweaks can result in sweeter, more nuanced flavor. Using a thermometer or a machine with precise temperature control ensures your coffee extracts consistently without unwanted bitterness. The grind size determines how quickly water interacts with coffee particles. Research shows that finer grinds increase surface area, speeding extraction, while coarser grinds slow it down. If your coffee tastes bitter, your grind may be too fine or your brew time too long. Conversely, sour or weak coffee often result from a grind that's too coarse. Experiment with incremental grind adjustments while monitoring taste. This is one of the fastest ways to improve flavor scientifically. Coffee flavor degrades over time due to oxidation and loss of volatile compounds. Science confirms that freshly roasted and freshly ground coffee retains more aromatic oils and complex flavors. Store beans in airtight containers away from light, heat, and moisture. Even a high-quality espresso can taste dull if the beans are old. Grinding immediately before brewing preserves aromatic compounds, giving your coffee a richer, sweeter, and more balanced profile. Pre-infusion, or wetting the coffee ground for a few seconds before full extraction, helps distribute water evenly, preventing channeling and over-extraction. Scientific research shows that pre-infusion enhances soluble compound extraction, producing a cup with balanced body and acidity. Pair this with proper tamping, consistent water flow, and the right brew ratio, and your espresso or pour-over will extract flavor evenly and taste superior every time. Science proves that small adjustments, water quality, temperature, grind, freshness, and pre-infusion can transform your coffee from average to exceptional. At BrewFix, we not only show you how to brew better coffee, but also how to maintain and repair your espresso machines so they perform consistently. And if you want to diagnose machines faster, prevent guesswork, and pull the perfect cup every time, check out the Espresso Repair Master Checklist and video course. Your ultimate tools for coffee mastery. With the right techniques, your coffee will taste amazing every single time.